Okay, extra practice on two-steppers. Follow along, students. Here we go. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. You basically just got to learn to train yourself to look for the number you want to get rid of first. You're more powerful than you, so you've got to go first. Negative 2x is going to equal, let's see, negative 25 plus 7. It's kind of like 25 minus 7, only it's all reversed. So it's going to be a negative 18, I believe, divided by a negative 2. Now, the reason I made this one. So some students might think, oh, that is a negative 2, so I'm going to add 2 to get rid of it. No. It's connected by multiplication, so you must use division to get rid of it. Now it's a negative 2, so you got to get rid of the negative and the 2. You know what the best thing is to get rid of a negative 2? Another negative 2. So divide both sides by negative 2. You get rid of the 2 and the negative. Gone. Just make sure you follow your negative math rules. Negative 18 divided by negative 2 is a positive 9er. Okay. Number 2, oh no, big bad fraction bar, whatever shall I do? Triple both sides. The thing that's hard about some of these is doing the math. It's kind of hard because sometimes the number of the problem gets in the way. So just be creative and just, be careful, be smart. You'll be fine. Negative 5 times u is a negative 15. Minus 2, x is going to equal negative 17. I think I did that one okay. If I make any mistakes, please leave a comment in the YouTubers commenter section and call me out, but I think I do a pretty good job most of the time. Okay. Oh, it's one of those negative variable trickaroo ones. Okay, watch this. I'm going to be super duper awesome with this one. Let's see here. I'm going to switch you and you like this. Okay, cool. So switcheroo, negative 100 plus 81 is actually going to equal y. Oh, sweet. Negative 181. So as you can see, I kept the negative over there, and then I just switched them. Okay, it's the same thing as, where are you? This one, problem number 4. Kind of like this one. Technically, I could have just switched 3 and the t right there. Okay, could have done that, but if you wanted to, you could have rewritten it. 81 minus y equals 100, and then you can switch them there since they're closer. If that makes you feel a little bit better, that's okay. Whatever works for you. I think negative 19. There we go. Negative 19. Yeah, because 81 is smaller than 100, so it's a negative. Oh, a negative 19. Yeah, plus 81 would make 100. Okay. Oh, one more sweet, awesome, tricky math move. Okay. So kind of like when you're subtracting variables, when you're dividing by variables, there's also a really sweet trick. So here we go. Let's see. Ooh, your times, or are you times x? Divide by x? You're probably more powerful than the plus 3, so let's get rid of you. Yep, let's do that first. Goodbye. Okay, 10 over x equals 6. You want to see a trick? Watch this. So just like how you can switch the variable, anytime you divide by a variable, you can switch them just like that. 10 divided by 6 equals x. Nice. So if you simplify that, x should equal 5/3. And I don't like mixed numbers, so I don't even want to write it as a mixed number. And I also don't want to write it as a decimal. So I'm going to leave it as 5/3. There we go. I win. All right. So that's kind of a cool one. I'm going to do another one of those really quick. Let's have one that isn't as nasty. So, let's do, how about 50 divided by x plus 3 equals, wow, way to use variety, bro. I just used the same thing twice. How about you equal 13? You probably can figure this one out already, but here we go. Hopefully, I made this up on the fly, so hopefully I don't mess it up. Should make a little more sense with a nicer number. Yeah, 10 over 6, what? 10 over, not as easy, but this one should make a bit more sense. 50 over x equals 10. Oh, okay. 50 divided by blah equals 10. Switcheroo. 50 divided by 10 equals x. Oh, doy. X equals 5. Okay, so that's kind of a nice little trick right there. Okay, so it's just kind of some common sense stuff. I think we did that like way back in lesson 1-8, I think, like when we solved with mental math. Yeah, so I think we had problems like this for sure, I think, with mental math. But if you can't do it mentally, then you can physically switch, and it's a nice little trick. So anyway, that's just two-step equations, all right? So just remember to follow your rules, and your rule is this. Your overall number one rule is that you want to remove the weakest math or numbers first, and then work your way towards the harder, more difficult, more powerful mathematical connections. That will make you a mathematical cheetah. All right, see you in class.